Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset your HP laptop to factory settings. Now let me just show you this is actually a HP laptop. As you can see, it's a very easy and simple process. The first thing you need to do is right click on your start icon right here and then click on settings. Okay, now once this loads up, I'll show you what exactly we need to click on. Click here on update and security. Now from the left hand panel, click on recovery. You see this? Reset this PC. You just need to come here, click on get started, and they'll give you two options. Option number one is keep my files and basically remove everything. But it'll keep your personal files, it'll remove all the apps and settings. And then we have this one, remove everything. This is a full factory reset, basically brand new. All your personal files will be gone, all your apps, all your settings. Just need to go ahead and click on this. Just make sure you have enough charge or your PC is actually being charged. Okay, really that easy and simple. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gamar.